Hello students, let us try to understand the chemicals in food student. Okay, so chemicals are added to food for their preservation, enhancing their appearance, appeal, adding nutritive value in them. So there are three important aspect for the chemicals in the food. First one is preservation, enhancing their appeal and adding nutritive value in them. Okay, main type of food additives are, that is, what is food color, flavor and sweeteners, fat emulsifiers and stabilizing agents, for flour improver, anti-stalling agent and bleachage, antioxidants, food preservatives, nutritional supplements such as the minerals and vitamins and amino acid. Minerals, vitamins and amino acids additive have nutritive value. Okay, so these are the uh, chemicals in the food. And first one is, if you talk about anti facial sweetening agent, artificial sweetening agent. This is artificial sweetening agent student. So when you talk about artificial sweetening agent student, sucrose and fructose are the most widely used natural sweeteners, since they add to our calorie intake and promote tooth decay. Therefore, many people use artificial sweeteners. Important artificial sweeteners are saccharin. First one is saccharin, orthosulfobenzyamide. Orthosulfobenzyamide is about 550 times sweeter than the sucrose on mass to mass basis. It is not biodegradable in the body and does not have any calorific value of food. It is excreted as such as in urine. So that is no, first one is the saccharin is there. I already told you it is 550 times more sweeter than the sucrose on the mass to mass basis. It is not biodegradable in the body and does not have any calorific value of food. It is excreted as such in urine. So as you are taking, it is coming out through the urine. Next point is there, student. It is primarily used as a sweetening agent by the diabetic patient. Second one is the aspartame. It is the methyl ester of the dipeptide derivative from the phenylalanine and aspartic acid. It is about 100 times as sweet as sucrose. It is 100 times as sweet as sucrose. It decomposes at baking or cooking temperature and hence can only be used in the cold food and soft drinks. Okay. Next one is there, allitame is there. Allitame is more stable than the aspartame. It is about 2000 times as sweet as sucrose. Next one is sucralose. It is a trichloro derivative of sucrose. It tastes like the sucrose and is stable at cooking or cooking temperature. It is about 600 times sweeter than the sucrose. It neither provides calories nor causes tooth decay, but control of sweetness of the food is difficult. L-glucose, that is laboratory glucose, like D-sugar. All L sugars are sweet in taste but do not provide any energy, since our body does not have enzyme for their metabolism. Okay, therefore they are secreted as such through the urine. Thus, all L-hexoses such as L-glucose, L-galactose can be used as a potential artificial sweeteners. Next, artificial sweetener, aspartame is there. Its structural formula is there. Value of comparison to cane sugar is 100 times. Saccharin is 550 times. Sucralose is 600 times. Elitame is 2000 times more, more sweeter. Food preservative, when you're talking about student, food preservatives prevent the spoilage of food due to the microbial growth. The most commonly used preservatives are the table salt, sugars, vegetable oil, sodium benzoate, like that. Sodium benzoate is metabolized to hypuric acid excreted in urine. It is used in the soft drink and acidic food. Salt of sorbic acid and propanoic acid, ethylene epoxide, and para-hydroxybenzoic acid are also used as a food preservative. Sodium metabisulfite is used as a preservative for jams, pickles. It preservative action is due to SO2 which dissolve in water to give the sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid inhibit the growth of esters, growth of yeast, molds, and bacteria. Sulfurous acid inhibit the growth of yeast, molds, and bacteria. Next one is antioxidants in food. Chemicals which are used to prevent the oxidation of the fat in the processed food such as the potato chips, biscuits, breakfast cereals, crackers are called the antioxidants. These are the more reactive towards the oxygen than the food material which they are protecting. The two most familiar antioxidants are butylated hydroxytoluene (BHT) and butylated hydroxyanetol (BHA). So these are their student. Next point, if you talk about the addition of BHA to butter increases its shelf life from the months to years. The addition of BHA to butter increases its shelf life from months to years. Sometime BHT and BHA along with the citric acid are added to produce the more effect. Okay, sulfur dioxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfite are useful antioxidant for wine and beer, sugar syrup and cut, peeled or dried fruit and vegetables. So BST and BHC structures are there, student. So next video will try to mix on the cleansing agent, student. So this we study, student, that is chemicals in the food, and what we find, student, that there are so many chemicals are there in the food we are using to prevent them from the spoilage, to add there the nutritive value like that. Artificial sweeteners are there, student. So these all we study, student, like erythritol, aspartame, sucralose. This all we have to understand this, student, that is which are how many times sweeter than the cane sugar. So this is all about chemicals in food, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.